Is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? I'm going to answer that question in this video. Hey, it's Mark with The Cloud CEO, and a lot of times when I bring up the topic of affiliate marketing to people, I get this response of, well, it really sounds like a pyramid scheme, or it sounds like multi-level marketing, and that's just not something I'm interested in. Because of that, I wanted to film this video and explain why affiliate marketing isn't like these other models. Affiliate marketing is really like a common business practice that all businesses use, and in fact, affiliate marketing is a part of a lot of major companies in their normal promotion processes. So a lot of times people mix the two terms of pyramid scheme and multi-level marketing. So let's answer what that is first, so then we can explain what affiliate marketing is. Some popular multi-level marketing companies you've probably heard of are Avon, Amway, and Tupperware. Whether or not you realize that these are all multi-level marketing companies, this is a business model that is viable. Obviously, some of these companies have been around for quite some time, but it's a business model that not everyone is fond of. With multi-level marketing, there's two things that kind of give people a bad taste in their mouth. One, you're selling stuff, which typically is outside of our comfort zone. We really don't like to sell stuff. We also have to recruit people underneath us, and that's probably the biggest distinction between affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing is that downline, what's called the downline. So people that you've recruited to sell products along with you, but for whatever products they sell, you'll also earn a percentage or part of the commission. With affiliate marketing, that does not exist. So you're not building a downline with affiliate marketing, but you are selling things. Now, this is also something that people tend to have a bad reaction to, which is just selling in general. But when you think about it, we're selling stuff every day. If we're trying to figure out where to go to dinner and we really want to go to this one restaurant, but our significant other or our friends don't want to go there, what do we try to do? We try to convince them that this other restaurant, the restaurant that I really want to go to, is a better choice. That's selling. If we're trying to help someone figure out they need a specific product that you use versus the one that they're using because you know it's a better product, and you're convincing them that your product, the one that you use, is better, that's selling. Whether or not you get paid for it in the process, that's still selling. You're convincing other people that your opinions, that your ideas are the right ideas or the best ideas, and then the people that listen to you will ultimately have a better experience because they have listened to you. We do this all the time, from talking to our kids, to interacting with people on our job, to just talking to our friends and family. So really, at the core, everyone is a salesperson. It's just that we're not used to selling things and getting compensated for it in the process. So again, the big difference between affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing is with multi-level marketing, you have a downline, or what can be looked at as a pyramid, because if you recruit two people underneath you, then you're the person at the top, and then you have two people. If those two people recruit two people themselves, then there's four people, and so on and so on and so on. That doesn't exist with affiliate marketing. What exists though is the process of actually selling an item to someone or convincing them to buy an item, as long as it's a benefit for them. When you think of a salesperson, a lot of times people think of a sleazy used car lot salesperson that's trying to convince you to buy a piece of junk car that you don't really need, you don't really want, and it's going to fall apart as soon as you drive it off the lot. But in reality, sales is what drives our economy. We interact with salespeople all the time. It could be in a retail store, or it could even be in a corporate environment. So if you're dealing with a vendor, for example, and trying to, find the best copier for your office, or if you're trying to, source the best product to be able to resell with the company, then you're interacting with a salesperson. So sales isn't a bad thing, but we tend to think of it in a negative way. So with affiliate marketing, what you're doing is you're teaming up with a company or different companies, and whenever you end up making a sale through a link, then they will pay you a commission. And probably the most common example of this, and the best way to get started, is to sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. So what you would end up doing is you would find different products that you would use, different things that you want to promote and talk to your following about. If you have an audience on YouTube, or if you have a podcast or a blog or something like that, you would talk about a product, and then you would also include a link, which would be an opportunity for a person that enjoyed your article or enjoyed your content to go and check out the product and potentially purchase it. If that person purchases it, then you'll get a commission. The great thing about this is, as opposed to a typical sales job where you actually have to go out and talk to people one-on-one, with affiliate marketing, as you make content online, that content lives out on the internet forever. As opposed to a typical sales job where you have to spend your time doing this over and over and over, with affiliate marketing, you have to make it once, and then people will come to that content, they'll see your video, they'll see you talking whatever, and then they'll make a decision from there. You don't have to spend any more time trying to convince multiple people to buy this one thing. You can spend your time on making multiple pieces of content, blog articles, YouTube videos, what have you, to be able to promote that product or different products in multiple ways. So you can see now how this can build on itself. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have to reach people, and the more opportunities you have to make a commission on a sale. So it's a pretty cool deal. I think the other reason why people tend to think of affiliate marketing as a pyramid scheme or multi-level marketing is because of this piece where it tends to stack. So as you build content, you build multiple pieces of content, all these things will live out on the internet all the time, and you have more and more and more of an opportunity. So that sounds kind of like a downline, but it really isn't. It's really just producing different materials, producing a higher quantity of materials to be able to get in front of people. So think of this content as flyers. If you're trying to promote something like a garage sale, you would go to a copy shop and have maybe 100 flyers printed, and you would go put these flyers up all over the neighborhood and promote the fact that you're having a garage sale in hopes that you get people to your garage sale so you can sell your stuff to other people, right? So with affiliate marketing, it's kind of the same thing. You're building content, you're building these signs that you're putting up everywhere. People are finding them, they're attracted to them, they're listening to what you have to say, and if it resonates with them, if they like you, if they think that what you're promoting is of value to them, then they have an opportunity to purchase. And if they do that, you get paid for it. So it's a really awesome business model. It's one of the easiest business models to get started with online. And if you're interested in more information about that, I've got a couple different links in the description of this video. You can go and check those things out. In addition to, if you have any questions about the affiliate marketing process in general, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are around that, and I'd be happy to answer your questions. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I encourage you to subscribe to The Cloud CEO if you haven't done that already. I cover different topics like this, things on digital marketing, building YouTube audience, and other systems and automation. So if you're interested in those topics, I encourage you to join The Cloud CEO by subscribing on the link. And I will see you in the next one.